Nigga too legit to quit. All a nigga gotta do up here in Reno is just spit. Rich nigga shit I do a lot of. But you know I love smoking holla. Man, all I do is smoking holla. Go to consumable. That's just the shit that I do. Can't nobody fuck with this fucking fool. I've been on this motherfucking microphone since the day I was fucking born. I've been on, I was gon' rock. Cause the Gemini shit don't stop. Heavy looking at me like clock. With 12 midnight. Is that alright? Yeah, with you. I'ma spit this flow. It's a ebonic fool. On the microphone, he do what it do. You know what I said, cause this just shit is just some twist on it mix. Just like he fall up in that Northern Cali shit. 818, I'm from, nigga, I'm on the microphone going dumb. Yeah, you heard what I said. Rich nigga shit ain't shit. I don't need $1, but I need me a bitch. All I wanna do is just stick the tip inside a womb. Nigga, I'll consume. Tell the fucking 911, somebody killing the womb. Get him over here soon. Rich nigga shit I don't do. But you know what I do, it's just me, boo. Yeah, I hate niggas that's the sheep, boo. Fuck a hater and a bitch ass, nagging ass bitch, boo. Bitches, they ain't shit. Niggas, they can get this dick. Gobble on them nuts like marbles, hoe. Jawbreakers, but your jaws ain't working though. You can't break me, nigga, wait, see. I'm out here drinking Hennessy. Nope, I just drink Mickey cause I'm broke. Nigga, they 354. 2, nigga, I ain't through yet. I ain't even stopped smoking crack. Yes, I did. I'm out here with that Chrissy, you bitch. Rich nigga shit I do a lot of. I love to make a bitch holler when my dick is in that booty hole. She say yes, but I say no. I'm not gon' stick it in slow. I'ma go to the back of the O, to the G spot. That's where I'ma come at, and then get up and go.